Hello, everyone. I'm really excited to let you know about a wonderful event that is happening at the end of this month. It is Nonviolent Communication Festival. Shortly, it is NVC Festival. For me, nonviolent communication, it's more than a way of communicating. It's more a way of connecting with myself and with others in direction of building strong and healthy relationship. During the festival, we'll have a lot of workshops that will cover a wide range of subjects, from parenting to education, to relation with customers or with the places that you live, and many, many others. And I want to open a short preview for all of you. And I have a guest, special guest today. Robyn is here with us. Hello, Robyn.
Hello, Daniela.
Robyn, she's a certified trainer of NVC, Nonviolent Communication. And during festival, she has a workshop called Resonating with Self, Resonating with Place. Robyn, what is the purpose of this workshop?
Thank you for that beautiful question. So you mentioned just now when you were talking about NVC, that NVC is a way to connect. I think you said something about connection and communication, and it is. And when you said that, I thought, yeah, well, this workshop though is it's a little different than the other ones that I've been giving for other festivals we've had. And this one focuses on NVC as a way of being. So it's more about what Marshall Rosenberg talked about as NVC consciousness, and what other people might say the interior condition, just our way of being inside of ourselves. There's a quote that I'm inspired by, which says, "The success of any intervention depends on the interior condition of the intervener."
Wow.
So that's what I'm pointing this workshop toward, is looking at our interior states and ways of being. And it's I'm going to include some. It's almost like a journey into our interior states. How are we connected with self? How are we connected through our body, through our mind, through our emotions? I'm going to talk about what I've learned from Sarah Payton, another NVC trainer, who talks about warmth and resonance. And then the special edition that I have is not only the resonance with self, but resonance with place. And that's a little different. So that's going to bring us into the NVC territory of interdependence. And how can my connection with myself be of a quality that I'm also connected to the natural world that is available within me and outside of me.
Wow. Robyn, thank you so much. I'm so excited for everything that you just shared with us. I would just thank you all for watching. And like Robyn says, it's a journey. I really invite you to take part of this journey at the end of October. And please see the registration link below in the first comment, and see you at the festival.